Since nakita ko nga ang product na to, so maganda siya. Very relaxing sa legs natin. At the same time, portable pa siya. So madali siyang gamitin. And you can carry it anywhere you go. So yeah, this is a nice product guys. So you should try, okay? Hi guys, this is RJ Arroyo from Lufthansa Technique. And I'm a management personnel. Fan ako ng therapy na to for the leg compression. Of course, when I engage into triathlon, most of the time yung legs natin, no, ito yung mga pinakagamit talaga sa sport na to. So now, yung una kong naggamit before, hindi siya portable, no, meron siyang hose. So medyo mahirap siya gamitin, no, dahil siyempre magsi-setup ka pa, kailangan maganda yung location mo, at siyempre kailangan comfortable ka, maganda siya. Yun nga lang, very short lang din pag ginamit mo, pag in-operate mo siya. Unlike this one, no hose na talaga siya, kaya maganda siyang gamitin.
And rechargeable.
Yes, yun pa, rechargeable, so you can carry it anywhere. So ito, hindi lang siya affordable actually, no, na-surprise ako. Very more than half the price siya nung before na yung unang product na na-try ko. Kaya nung nalaman ko about this product, so talagang nag-rush na ako dito just to check out. Then hopefully, yeah, I'm getting a new one. So glad to have this product talaga.